Good evening, everyone. It was very hectic day today, and I am feeling very much boring. I was feeling very much boring, so that's why I have come out to the ground. As you can see, this is the ground. I have come, and here, as you can see, no one. I am only alone here, and I am taking a chira packet. Here is chira packet, and I have taken a cup of tea. So now I have come this place to spend some time here because in my room I was feeling very much boring because morning time I called to my father that I need some money, and after that some actually words I have told to my father that I need something, lot of things, something I need. So after that he told me that we are not affording your actually fees, hotel fees, room fees. Try to do something yourself. After that I thought, yes, obviously I have to do something because I am 21 years old, and this is the time for doing something. So if I will not do, how many days my father will give me money? This is not good actually. So I thought that I have to do something, and I am preparing for a government exam, but I have did actually a lot of interview, but there was no, I didn't got any actually good response from there. So I'm trying. My father don't think that I'm not trying actually. I'm trying. They think actually guys that I'm not trying here in Calcutta here, but I'm trying. But I don't get what is fault, my fault, I don't know. I'm just preparing every day. I'm just trying actually do something better than yesterday, but it will take little time. Good things will always happen. It actually takes more time to do something different. It takes a lot of time. Easily we can't do anything. My father, he actually don't want to actually believe that all that things actually. He always think that have to do something, any job, it's maybe post office job or anything, constable. He always want that. He always wants that I, as soon as possible, I do something in my life. But you guys tell me, is it possible to get job by 21 years of age? Yes, obviously. But if I, there was a lot of classes in my college, so there was a lot of pressure. After this year I completed my graduation, and it's not easy to get any sarkari job, guys. I'm telling you, just today. That's why I was feeling very much boring, and very much. I was feeling very much down. I don't know why. After listening that actually words from my father that you are not doing nothing, you are doing there in Calcutta, you are just only wasting your time. Lot of things he told me, and that's why I thought that I have to do something as soon as possible. I'm thinking, but if I don't get any actually from, then from where I can get, in government there is no form fill up, so how can I get a job? You guys just think. And I'm feeling very much down, guys. That's why I thought that I can share with you all, because you guys also my family. I can share with you my good times, bad times, everything I share in every videos, whatever I'm doing, whatever I did, just I'm sharing. I share with you all, guys. As a part time, I'm working here in Calcutta, guys. My father told me that he will not give money from next month, from February. This month January they will give money, and after February they will not give money for room rent, hotel fees and classes fees. Nothing they will give me. So I thought that I have to do something as a part time, as a full time, nothing, anything I have to do today. Today I'm feeling very much loneliness, very much alone. Today there was a class. That's why that after listen all that things actually from my father. After that I didn't thought that I should go to the class. I was feeling very much boring. That's why I didn't go to the class. Even whole day I was in my room. I was thinking that I should cry. But after crying, nothing we can get after crying. So this is the thing, guys. Now I am at ground front of my room. There is a ground, very small ground. It's a very small ground. I have come this place and there is no one. As you can see, I'm only alone here. Behind me there is a lot of people are there, and I am making vlog video for you all from here. So guys, I'll be back in another new vlog, another new update about my lifestyle. Stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Guys, tada, bye bye.